So is it possible to make money on TikTok? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, even if you have a small following. Hey guys, my name is Chad from Purely Remote, the channel that brings you all the tips, tools, and resources for you to find success online. Now in this video, I'm going to answer the question that you might have, is it possible to make money on TikTok? Well, the short answer is absolutely yes. And the great thing is that you can do this without even having a big following. Now, before I get into the details on how to do it exactly, I'm going to show you real quick how big of an opportunity TikTok gives you to make money online. So let's check it out. So this is our YouTube channel, right? Just the analytics that I wanted to show you. And as you can see, the channel isn't really very big at the moment, 61 subscribers. By the way, we appreciate every single one of our subscribers. And if you do find any value in this video, remember to subscribe because we are going to be posting a lot of content in the future that helps you make money online. But moving on, I just want to show you this. These are basically the stats or the analytics over the last 28 days, right? So over the last 28 days, our channel got 150 views, 5 subscribers, and a total watch time of 5.7 hours. Now, if I go into our TikTok analytics, this is our TikTok analytics. The account is a little bit bigger. And also over the last 28 days, you can see the video views are 46,000, just over 46,000, 1,141 profile views, which means that 1,141 people actually went into our profile to see what we're all about, right? Obviously, you can see that TikTok has a bigger opportunity to reach a lot more people a lot quicker, whereas YouTube takes a little while longer to grow. And another great thing is that, of course, TikTok, when you create content and put videos out on TikTok, that is all free, right? You are reaching all these people for free. It's not like you're paying for ads or anything like that. So how exactly do you use TikTok to make money online? Well, I'm going to show you real quick what we use for our business, kind of behind the scenes, the exact system that we use to bring people in and then actually generate revenue for our online business. Okay, so this is the exact way that our business runs online. You know, it's majority of it is on autopilot. And I just want to give you a quick behind the scenes of how it all works, how you can use the same method to build an online business for the long term, right? The biggest thing that I want to bring your attention to is the emails. You want to collect emails of people who are actually interested in the product that you're promoting. And I'll get into where you can find products and different ways to do that and how to promote it in just a little while. But this is sort of the actual workings, you know, like how the business actually works. So on the side, we have the logos for different social medias. There's Facebook, YouTube. YouTube's not really a social media, but in this case, we are working with TikTok. So we create content on TikTok and we lead them to what is called an opt-in page. Now, the main reason for an opt-in page is to collect emails, all right? Emails of anyone who's interested in the product. And the reason we do that is because most people who visit the actual, you know, a website or where they can actually make a purchase, they don't purchase on the very first time. But if you've got the emails, you can follow up with them so that at a later point, you can remind them and be like, hey, this is the offer you looked at a little while ago. Kind of remind them and increase your chances of actually getting them to buy the product or the program that you're promoting. So step number 1, you want to pick a niche. Now a niche is a category, so it could be anything. Sports, yoga, meditation, outdoor, so things like fishing, you know, travel, make money online. That's the niche that Purely Remote is in. We help people start an online business and actually learn how to make money online. So that is a niche as well. Literally anything that you can think of could be a niche for your business or for a product. But the first thing that you want to do is pick a niche. Then the next thing that you want to do is find a product to promote that is within that niche, right? So remember, a niche is pretty much anything that you're interested in, anything that you can talk about. If someone asks you about it, you can literally talk about it forever. That is your niche. And then finding a product. There are 2 different types of products that you can use within your business or that you can promote, right? The first is private offers, right on the left over here. So private offers are, for the most part, what we promote in Purely Remote in our business. So whether it's training programs, specific tools or softwares, basically anything that will help our audience with building their online business. The other option is affiliate marketplaces. Now, affiliate marketplaces are websites that are set up that have sometimes hundreds or thousands of products on them specifically for affiliate marketing, right? And I'll show you a quick example of probably the biggest affiliate marketplace in the world right now. So this is a website called ClickBank, and I'm not going to go over how to set up an account on ClickBank, because it is pretty straightforward. But ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace, and they've got literally hundreds, probably thousands of different products that you can promote as an affiliate, and also within different niches. So what you want to do is, once you create your account on ClickBank, you go over to Marketplace, which is right over there. Once you click on Marketplace, this is the page that will open up. And on the left, you'll see a whole lot of categories or niches. Okay, now these are niches, but if you click on the little drop down arrow, you'll actually see that it's broken down into, call it sub niches. So for example, under art and entertainment, there's art, dance, fashion, humor, magic tricks. A whole lot of options right over here. There's fitness, fiction, games. You can see, like, once you've got your niche down, you're going to have a lot of options for different products. So let's say, for example, you've chosen health and fitness as a niche. Now, if I want to go into, let's say, strength training, and once I click on strength training on the right, all the options are going to open up on the main page over here. So if I scroll down, you're going to see there's a whole lot of pages with different products that you can promote. So for example, there's the Ultimate Pull-Up Program, the Jump Manual, Crunchless Core. So let's say I want to promote Crunchless Core. Now, before you choose a product that you want to promote, there are a couple of things that you want to keep an eye out for. The first thing is the gravity, okay? The gravity is basically how popular this product is to promote. So ClickBank is like, a lot of people are promoting this product, and the more people that are promoting it and actually making sales with it, the higher the gravity is. You generally want a gravity of, 50 or more if you're just starting out, but sometimes gravity can go, all the way like up to over 200, over 300 sometimes. So that's the first thing. And then also to the right of the product is the average conversion. So you as an affiliate, this is the average amount that you'll receive as commission every single time you make a sale. So let's say if I'm starting out and I want to find a product to promote, and this is just an example, I know it's got a really low gravity, but if I wanted to promote Crunchless Core, I would simply just click on this button, on the promote button, and click on the button that says create hop link. Now that is going to generate a link that is unique to you. That's how ClickBank is going to track what sales you have made. That way they know how much to pay you, right? So this would be your hop link right over here. So all you're going to do is copy that link, and that's the link that you would use to promote online. Now I'll be honest with you, even though ClickBank does have a whole lot of products, it's not necessarily stuff that we promote for Purely Remote. I just wanted to give you an idea on products where you can find on these affiliate marketplaces. So now you've selected a niche, you've found a product that you want to promote. The next step, step number 3, is to build an email list with an opt-in page that converts, right? So that something that actually is able to convert sales. And I brought this little image up again because this is, like I said, this is how the business actually works. So this first page is called your opt-in page. So you create content on whichever platform. In this case, we're specifically speaking about making money on TikTok. So you create content or videos on TikTok that lead people to your opt-in page or your landing page. Now the landing page, as I mentioned earlier, is simply to create an opportunity for you to collect emails, so that once your customers go through the entire process, if they don't buy on that very first visit, which most people don't, remember that you've got the email addresses, right? So you can follow up with them. And that's the reason you want an opt-in page. Now I'm going to give you an example of our opt-in page for Purely Remote. That is how it looks. So they've watched our content, they're interested in what we do, they want to learn a little bit more, they click on our link. This is the page that they're going to land on. So right now it says, finally, the 7 steps proven to building a 6-figure business online from scratch without having a product, experience, or dealing with clients. You can see it's very straight to the point. It's exactly what is in it for them, right? And just a little bit more about what they're going to receive with this particular product. Now, what we do is we offer a free ebook to anyone who is interested in learning more. So it's kind of, we're offering a free ebook in exchange for their email. And when they click on this button, a little pop-up shows up where they can enter their first name, and their email. And when they click on get access, 3 things pretty much happen. The first thing is that they are then added to our mailing list, right? So where we can follow up with them through emails. The second thing is their ebook will be automatically sent to their inbox. The third thing that happens is that they move further down onto the bridge page, which is the second page in that little diagram that I showed you. Now, the bridge page just tells them a little bit more about the product that we are promoting. Think of it as bridging the gap between us and the product that we're promoting. Let's say you've chosen fitness and we've chosen, the Crunchless Core, I think it was. You're just going to tell them a little bit more about the product, how it helped you, how it can help them. It's just, like I said, bridging the gap between yourself and the product that you're promoting. And once they move on from the bridge page, the sales page is what opens up. Now, you as the promoter or as the affiliate don't have to create the sales page. So for example, the link that we got from ClickBank, if you were to open that link in your browser, the sales page for the product would open up. And this is where your customers can then purchase the product that you're promoting. So this is the sales page of the product that we selected earlier, the Crunchless Core from ClickBank. So once they purchase this product, because they made the purchase through your link, ClickBank knows that they need to pay you the certain amount in commissions. But the biggest thing that I want to remind you about is to collect those emails, because remember, majority of people don't buy on the first time. And the emails that you are now building up in your email list allows you to follow up with them so that if someone does visit and they don't purchase on the very first time, you haven't lost them forever, right? You can still keep in contact with them. You literally maximizing your opportunities of increasing sales and making money online. Okay, so now that you pretty much know the behind the scenes of how to actually build a business and build something that works on autopilot for you, the next step is getting into TikTok. That's why you're here. Now, you're going to use TikTok to drive a huge amount of traffic to your page, right? So that's what it's all about. Using TikTok, creating content, and getting people onto your page so that they can either purchase straight away or join your mailing list. And remember, like I showed you earlier, TikTok has a huge opportunity, right? So when you compare TikTok to YouTube, you can literally start a TikTok and within a few weeks, something can go viral, your account can completely blow up. The opportunity is huge on TikTok right now. Now, if you're starting a brand new TikTok account, the first thing that you want to do is, of course, start the account, but then also add in a profile picture and a bio. Now, the bio is just a little write-up, a little bit more about yourself and what people can expect from your TikTok account and your content. So let me give you an example with our TikTok account. All right, so right now we're on our profile page for Purely Remote's TikTok, right? So Purely Remote, we've got a profile picture and then we've got the bio. So like I said, the bio tells your audience a little bit more about you, the content you create, and why they should follow you pretty much, right? So in our case, we've got we help beginners make money online, learn the #1 method, and then we've got a link. And when they click on that link, they'll be taken through to our landing page. So those are the two things that you want to focus on when creating or setting up your TikTok account. Now, just something to keep in mind is that if you do want to include a link, a clickable link like this into your profile and in your bio, you do need over 1,000 followers on TikTok. So now if you've got your product, you've got your niche, you've set up your TikTok account, the next step is to start creating content every single day. And on TikTok, it is super easy because you're literally just making, 15-second videos. You can make videos up to 10 minutes if you like, but when you're starting out, I would recommend stay on the shorter content type. So 15 seconds or lower, even 10 seconds or lower. And all the content revolves around your product and your niche. So what you can do is create 2 to 3 videos a day. If you're starting out, that would be perfect because you want your account to grow. You want to give yourself as much of a chance as possible to reach a lot of people. I've even seen people create 10 videos a day when they're starting out. It is 100% possible. It's just up to you. But I would say minimum 2 to 3 videos on TikTok every single day. Remember that people are always scrolling through TikTok, watching, hundreds of videos at a time. And you want to actually be the reason that they stop and watch your video. So how do you do that? The first thing that you can do is on your video, you want to use a catchy headline, or you want to create curiosity, or you can even be controversial. These are the things that make people stop scrolling and actually watch your content. And then what you want to include in your video after that is you want to tell a story or you want to give value. You want to educate them about what it is that you do or your product. And finally, you want a strong call to action. Now, a call to action is people don't know generally what to do, right? So you need to tell them what to do when they're on social media. So it could be something like, follow this account if you found value from this video, like this post, share it with someone who could find it useful, check out the link in my bio. Actually, right now, TikTok doesn't like it when you type in or say, check out the link in my bio. So here's just a little way to work around that. What we've done is underneath our bio, we've added 2 little arrows, right? And in the videos, instead of saying click the link in our bio and risking kind of our videos get taken down, we tell people swipe left and follow the arrows. When they're watching it on their phones, once they swipe left, they are going to be taken to our profile page, and underneath the bio, we've got 2 arrows. We've just told them to follow the arrows. They'll click on the link and that'll take them to the landing page. So that's something you can do as well. Now, you might be thinking, what if I'm just starting out on TikTok, I don't have 1,000 followers, and I can't put a link into my bio? Well, there is a way to work around that as well. And the first thing that you want to do, if you remember the link that we copied from ClickBank for the product, that link kind of looks long, it looks a little spammy and untidy. The first thing that you want to do is go into a site called bit.ly, bit.ly. And what that site does is it shortens and condenses different links that you might have. So what you can do if you don't have 1,000 followers just yet is take that very same, the long link that you got from ClickBank, go to bit.ly, paste it into bit.ly, and it's going to give you a shortened version of the link right over here. Now, if you register a free account with bit.ly, you can edit this back half over here. So this is just an example of one of our personal bit.ly links. Usually bit.ly will give you a bunch of random either letters or numbers, but if you log in and you create the free account, you can actually edit it to make it something a little easier to remember, a little easier to type. So in this case, with this link that we use, it's bit.ly/freedom20, and that takes them to another product that we're currently promoting. And then just jumping back onto our TikTok page, you can use that bit.ly link as text into your actual video, right? So if you see on the videos, there's these areas where you can put in different text. You would put in, for more info, go to bit.ly/freedom_20. So that way it's easier for them to remember. They would then go into Safari or Chrome or their browser and type in that link so that they can be taken to your landing page. But once you reach 1,000 followers, which could actually be really, really quick, you can take that same link and just put it into your bio. And that is pretty much how you use TikTok to make money, right? So the first thing, remember, is to pick a niche, pick a product, get your link for the product, create your TikTok account, create content around that TikTok account, and then drive people to your landing page. Now, I'm going to remind you again that the biggest thing of this is to set up an email list, right? So that you can collect those emails, because not everybody buys on the very first time. And if you've got those emails, you can follow up with them later down the line as well. Now, if you're not familiar with it, this particular process of promoting is called affiliate marketing. And that's basically where you would promote another company's products or services and then earn commissions for every sale that you bring in. And like I keep saying, we are all about trying to help you build a business for the long term, right? Not something that's just for today and going to be gone tomorrow. So if you want to learn how to start an affiliate marketing business of your own and learn all of the fundamentals, I will leave a link down in the description to a super cool program that'll teach you all of those fundamentals. If you're specifically looking for something that'll help you grow your TikTok, I'll also leave a link to that down in the description as well. Kind of a crash course where you can learn how to grow your TikTok account super quickly for like just $1. And finally, if you want to learn how we set up our business step by step from the very beginning and built it from the ground up, I'll leave a link to that as well down in the description to another video that we previously created. Well, I hope this video brought you some value and you learned something from it. If you did, please remember to leave a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to Purely Remote, because we are going to be creating a lot of content around this subject in the future, helping you grow your online business. We are always happy to help, so if you do have any more questions, you can just drop them down in the comments and we'll make sure to get back to them. Until next time.